Hello everyone, and a warm thank you for choosing to spend your time with Break TV today. I am BJ, your host, and it's always a delight to have you here. Before we delve into our topic for today, there's a small request I have for you. If you find my videos helpful or entertaining, could you please take a moment to drop a comment below? Share where you're joining us from, the language you're most comfortable with, or what topics you're interested in. Your input is invaluable to me as it guides the content I create. So don't hesitate, get involved. Now, without further ado, it's time to dive into our topic for today. Welcome to the world of Break TV, where we simplify seemingly complex tasks into easily digestible steps. Today, we're laying out the groundwork. Yes, you guessed it right, we're talking about foundations. The foundation of a quaint two-bedroom house or a towering 10-story building, the principles remain the same. Starting a foundation might seem like a Herculean task, but with the right mindset and focus, it's absolutely doable. The first step is all about getting the land. Once that's sorted, it's time to clear the plot and bring in the experts. It's paramount to ensure our foundation is robust and reliable, capable of supporting structures of varying sizes without any risk of crumbling or cracking. So, what's the next step after establishing a strong base? It's all about setting the foundation and building upwards. Whether it's laying blocks or using other materials, the construction of our house begins. It's essential to keep a close eye on the workers to ensure quality. But if you're pressed for time, hiring a professional engineer to oversee the project is a smart move. If you're intrigued about how to keep a check on the construction of your house effectively, keep an eye out for my next video. Meanwhile, remember to comment, like, share this video with others, and subscribe to Break TV. Your engagement and support mean a lot to me. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. I am BJ, your host, and it's been a joy to guide you through the basics of starting a foundation. Remember, with the right approach, even the most intimidating tasks can be simplified. Until we meet again, keep building your dreams.